So this is the Freebord 5X prototype. I've ridden this board before and just wanted to give you guys a closer look at it. I'm not going to say too much about it. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. And again, this is the prototype. This isn't the final version. I do believe this deck is the final version. I could be wrong on that. If not, it's probably really close because it's got everybody's name on it. Super cool. These are all the people that helped fund the Indiegogo campaign, at least up to a certain point. I'm not exactly sure. It's a really cool situation because these trucks have been all over the world and in the hands of different riders in different countries. A lot of people have tested them and rode them. I've rode them before. I'm not sure if I've rode these exact same set of trucks, but I have had experience on this prototype setup. There are some things different or feel different to me than the last time I rode it. I think the springs may be a little stiffer here. But either way, these trucks have been used and abused by a lot of people and they are still holding up really well. This center wheel is really cool though. This design feels really solid. It's a really cool deck. The shape is more unique, or at least different than what the original Freeboard deck was. Basically, it's got some concave to it and like a little bit of a riser spot in the middle here. So it kind of goes down and then up and then back down and up again, like a W. I've been testing different wheels on them since I've got it. I really like these gringos. I think they're gringos. The wear pattern looks a little different from the actual labeled gringos. These ones don't have a label on them, but anyway, I enjoy them a lot so far. I've tried the Hate Privileges and also the Blues and again the gringos, and so I've just been set on the gringos. They were the last wheels I've tried, but they also just felt really good, so that's why I stuck with them. So that is the Freeboard 5X up close and some of the components. I'm gonna have more content of this over the next weeks and months. Riding stuff mostly, but we might get into the parts a little closer. So again, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Peace.